Yoga for strength. Power poses to transform your body. Hey there, yoga enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we have something special for you. A dynamic yoga session focused on power poses that will not only transform your body, but also elevate your strength, balance, and overall well-being. You're on your mat, ready to embark on a journey that combines the serenity of yoga with the intensity of strength-building poses. These power poses are not just about physical strength. They're about empowering your mind and body. Before we dive in, let's talk about why power poses are a game changer in your yoga practice. From enhancing muscle tone to improving balance, these poses are designed to sculpt your body while fostering mindfulness. Now, let's flow through a series of power poses together. From the empowering warrior two to the core strengthening plank. Each pose is carefully curated to target different muscle groups, leaving you feeling strong and rejuvenated. Don't worry if you're a beginner, we've got modifications for every level. It's all about progress, not perfection. It's not just about the physical benefits. These power poses extend beyond the mat, improving posture, increasing flexibility, and boosting confidence in your daily life. So, whether you're a seasoned yogi or just starting your journey, join us in this transformative yoga session. Embrace the power within you, and let's strengthen our bodies and minds together. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. If you enjoyed the session, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more yoga goodness, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a flow. Until next time, Namaste.